Welcome. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the stress and demands of everyday life? Have you ever noticed that you have no control over your mind? Imagine if there was a simple practice that could help you manage stress, improve your focus, and even boost your overall health. Well, there is. It's called meditation. In this video, we're going to explore the incredible benefits of meditation, backed by scientific research, and I'll share 10 powerful tips to help you get started. Whether you're new to meditation or looking to deepen your practice, stay tuned to discover how this ancient practice can transform your life. Understanding the benefits of meditation. Meditation isn't just about sitting in silence. It's about training your mind and body to achieve a state of calm and focus. Here's how it works and why it's so powerful. Improves learning, memory, and self-awareness. Research has shown that meditation increases grey matter density in the brain, particularly in areas associated with learning, memory, and self-awareness. This means meditation can actually enhance your cognitive abilities. Decreases feelings of loneliness. A study from Carnegie Mellon University found that mindfulness meditation can reduce feelings of loneliness, which are linked to a higher risk of illness and early death. Lengthens attention span. Meditation, especially focused attention meditation, trains your brain to focus better. Even just 4 days of regular practice can significantly improve your attention span. Helps fight addictions. Meditation can help you develop the mental discipline needed to break free from addictions. Studies have shown that meditation increases self-control and reduces cravings, reduces stress and anxiety. One of the most well-known benefits of meditation is its ability to reduce stress and anxiety. Research from the University of Wisconsin-Madison shows that meditation can decrease the density of grey matter in brain areas associated with anxiety and stress. Enhances emotional health. Regular meditation can lead to a more positive outlook on life. It increases the production of serotonin, the feel-good hormone, helping to alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety. Improves sleep. By calming the mind and reducing stress, meditation improves the quality of your sleep, helping you wake up feeling refreshed. Boosts immune system. Meditation has been shown to enhance the immune system. Studies found that meditators produce more antibodies in response to infections, increases compassion. Practices like loving-kindness meditation focus on developing feelings of empathy and love towards others, improving your relationships and sense of connection. Promotes overall well-being. Overall, meditation promotes a sense of well-being. It helps you feel more balanced, reduces negative emotions, and enhances your quality of life. Scientific research supporting meditation. Let's take a closer look at some of the scientific research that supports these benefits. Grey matter density. Regular meditation increases grey matter density in the brain, enhancing cognitive abilities and overall brain function. Meditation can increase the activity of telomerase, promoting cellular health and longevity. Gamma oscillations. Long-term meditators show sustained gamma oscillations during meditation, indicating a heightened state of awareness and cognitive function. Immune function. Meditation boosts the immune system by increasing the production of antibodies in response to infections. Stress and anxiety. Reduction. Meditation reduces the density of grey matter in brain areas associated with stress and anxiety. If you like our video, please subscribe, like, and comment right now. Help us to continue bringing you more quality videos. 10 powerful tips for meditation. Now that we've covered the benefits of meditation, here are 10 powerful tips to help you get started and make the most of your practice. Start small. Begin with just a few minutes of meditation each day and gradually increase the time as you become more comfortable. Find a quiet space. Choose a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed to help you focus and relax. Set a routine. Try to meditate at the same time each day to build a habit. Consistency is key. Focus on your breath. Pay attention to your breathing to help you stay present and calm. Use guided meditations. If you're new to meditation, guided meditations can be very helpful. You can start with our well-made 528 Hz meditation video on our channel. Read about the benefits of this frequency in the video's description. It's also called love frequency. It has healing effects all the way down to your DNA. Be patient. Meditation is a skill that takes time to develop. Be patient with yourself and don't get discouraged if your mind wanders. Practice mindfulness. Incorporate mindfulness into your daily activities by paying attention to what you're doing in the present moment. Try different techniques. Experiment with different types of meditation to find what works best for you. Stay comfortable. Sit in a comfortable position. You don't need to sit cross-legged on the floor. A chair is perfectly fine. Reflect on your practice. After meditating, take a few moments to reflect on your experience and notice any changes in your mood or focus. Meditation is more than just a practice. It's a way to transform your mind and body. By incorporating meditation into your daily routine, you can enjoy a myriad of benefits, from improved focus and emotional health to a stronger immune system and greater overall well-being. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about consistency and making a commitment to yourself. So take a few minutes each day to meditate and watch as it changes your life. For great meditation videos, check out our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and smash the notification button. For more life-changing content, please visit our channel. This video was researched, scripted, and produced by Shah Noveen. Please share our work with your loved ones. See you on our next video.